I'm always excited to bring any property to market, but especially when it's in the Thousand Oaks neighborhood of 95136. When it comes to Blossom Valley in South San Jose, Thousand Oaks is hands down one of the premier neighborhoods. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services, and this house at 4437 Hampshire Place is absolutely gorgeous. It comprises 1,860 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, totally remodeled from top to bottom. It just has beautiful landscaping, especially the backyard, which is almost like an enchanted paradise. So what we've done here is we've remodeled everything. All 3 bathrooms are completely new. The kitchen behind me is brand new with Calcutta quartz countertops and backsplash that look like marble but are way more durable, which complements the newer appliances, including a gas KitchenAid range. What I really love is we've kind of combined that coloring style of modern houses, but there's a lot of richness. Like these new hardwood floors have a lot of depth and color to them. The whole entire interior of the house has been painted, all the trim, all the hardware, it's all new. This house is ready for you to move into. Not to mention, when it comes to upgrades, I like to talk about not only what we have here cosmetically, like this beautiful kitchen and bathrooms, but also there's a lot of capital upgrades with this house. We have double pane windows, we have a tile roof which will virtually last forever. In addition to that, there's already copper plumbing, newer HVAC, which means newer heater and newer air conditioning. One of the knocks on homes that are built in the 60s and 70s a lot of times is the indoor lighting is not sufficient. Well, this house has been upgraded. Again, soaring ceilings, really big double pane windows, and we've added recessed lighting that bring in a little bit of that extra light that make it feel really, really bright in here. But we also have plantation shutters in the living room if you want a little more privacy. So I'm really big on nice floor plans, and this house has it. You also have this open kitchen which leads right out into this family room, which has a beautiful new fireplace that also leads right out to this gorgeous redwood deck. It has that nice blend of a open modern floor plan, but also that coziness. The expansive hotel-like master bedroom with its soaring ceilings and its totally upgraded spa-like bathroom. Looking through the kitchen garden window, you look into this expansive, beautiful backyard. It's completely tree-lined, which allows for a lot of privacy and just gives it that sort of family feel. Dinner out on the deck, which is a beautiful redwood deck in super good condition. And then moving on to the front of the house, everything's been redone. There's brand new sod. The grass is gorgeous green, in addition to having nice plants and great curb appeal. And we're on a tree-lined street right here in Thousand Oaks. And let's talk about Thousand Oaks for just a second. One of the premier neighborhoods in all of Blossom Valley. It's because of its proximity to Whole Foods, Trader Joe's. It's really close to Willow Glen and Cambrian, only 4 miles from downtown San Jose, where Google plans to build its largest US campus. It's a really great commute location that takes you right to the peninsula, where all of the tech giants that Silicon Valley is world renowned for are headquartered, like Apple, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all of those companies. It's centrally located around so much outdoor activity. You have Almaden Lake right down the road, Almaden Ranch really close by, Marshall Cottle Park, which is 250-acre county-owned land that's never going to be anything but a public park. Just walking out the door on a warm evening, you'll see people walking their dogs, pushing strollers. It just gives you that community feel. As always, I really want to say thank you for watching the video presentation of this beautiful house at 4437 Hampshire Place. If you have any questions that are real estate related, whether they're here in 95136, anywhere in San Jose or the Silicon Valley, or really anywhere in the world, feel free to hit me up at the number that's on the screen right now, and I'd be happy to receive a phone call or a text.